Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Docker is running, and you can use the Docker CLI. This avoids wasted build attempts. Once done, you write a concise Docker file. Pick a minimal base, install dependencies, copy your app, and declare CMD or entry point so the container knows how to start. Make sure to add a Docker ignore to keep sensitive or large files out of the build context, which speeds builds and reduces image size. You now build and tag the image explicitly so you can reference it later. Run Docker build with a clear tag. Use multi-stage builds to minimize runtime image size. If targeting different CPUs, add platform to ensure compatibility. Once the build completes, make sure to check Docker images and Docker history to confirm layers and size. If the build fails, read the output for the failing step. Rebuild after fixing that Docker. You run the container with port mapping and a descriptive name so others can interact with it. Once running, use Docker logs to see startup messages and Docker execute to open a shell and inspect files or processes. Docker PS confirms the container state. Make sure to mount volumes for persistent data and pass environment variables or secrets securely. If the app is unreachable, check port mappings and firewall. Then inspect container logs for binding or dependency errors as your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.